It's the one and only Stanley Ipkiss, and I'm coming with y'all today with one of the best pot roasts. Make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get with Drunk Food Network. One. All right now, so this is the pot roast. This is about 3 pounds, a little bit over 3. Y'all can see there. Sorry about the camera move. Yeah, I already rinsed it off and cleaned it and gave it a nice pat dry with the napkins there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and slice this in the middle first, because I'm throwing this in the cast iron skillet and I'm giving this a fry first. I'm not using that knife because you need some with some teeth at the edge. I mean at the end of the knife so you can cut through properly. But if y'all like videos like this and I got more stuff coming, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification. I appreciate everybody to do that. Alright, so besides that, I'm gonna go ahead and center this on this board. I'm gonna hit it right with a middle cut. See? This thing is tough. But you know what? At the end of the day, when it's done, it's gonna be juicy. Alright. So that's what you want right there. And as y'all can see, it's spread it into twos. Off a 3 pound roast. Woo. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients that's ready to get put in this. But first, I'm gonna fry this first. I wash my hands too. Nice and neat, y'all. They're gonna go about like 5 to 7 minutes on each side. And while that's going on, I got this oven preheating. But I gotta tell y'all the ingredients that's going on here too. And you know, it's going in the oven in a crock pot. Why would you put a crock pot in the oven? We'll see. Put that on over. That was heavy duty. That's what you want right there to see. And we're gonna do 5 minutes on that side, and we'll go from there, you know. Now, I'm going to transfer this back over. We're gonna use, or you know, you can use wherever you prefer to do your baking part of this thing at. Take some of this beef flavored broth right here. Put 3 of these in there, which is equivalent to 2 cups of water. So that's 6 cups all together. One. I should have to sit and count. I'll be back. It's the beef broth. 6 cups, y'all. Throw your trash away. Don't be messy. I know how it is. You cook that night, you wake up, you don't feel like cleaning none of that right now. And I know no time though. Make sure you sit that in that beef broth. This right here, this is rosemary leaves. Oregano leaves, sorry about that, and celery salt. It's all mixed together. So what you do is thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. y'all think this is? This cornstarch. Worcestershire sauce. Dip this in there. Look at that. That looks like to y'all. Want some coffee? No, that's not coffee, y'all. This do magic to food, y'all. Alright, so what's next is this going in. Beef bouillon cube. Sorry about that, y'all. Make sure the lens is good. Like open a little piece of candy. Or a gift. I wonder what kind of toy is this. Hopefully it's a PlayStation 6. Now let me see. Look. Drop it in there. Minced garlic. 1 tablespoon. Onions. Look at my girl. She's like, oh, you gonna put, you ain't gonna taste it. Oven. 3.5 hours. Ladies, make something like this for a man. Oh my God, it'll do magic. Vice versa too. Make some of this for my baby. Besides that, it's about to great come out here shortly. Hopefully everybody having a great day. Make sure I hit that subscribe and notification bell. I know y'all like your stuff is bootleg. Man, it's about good cooking, man. Be right back, y'all. Pull this roast out. That's well done there. That's what y'all want right there. That's well seasoned. Tender, look. Look at that meat come off there. See how the meat come off there? That's what you want, that straight tenderness. Look at that. That's a good roast right there. I'm gonna shred this thing up. See, look, I got a side item too, some mashed potatoes. This roast is going on top of the mashed potatoes. This meat gonna break. You know what I mean? Look at that. It is. Look at that. Poke. On up out of there. Throw you something on there because you want some of the mashed potatoes now. Throw it all in there. What you got there? Oh my God! Hey, make sure I hit that subscribe and notification bell, y'all. Peace of love, man. Hold on, one more, y'all. All right, one.